Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire BIN-DOOR part number 242071301. Frigidaire BIN-DOOR part number 242071301 is a replacement part for Frigidaire refrigerators. It is the door bin that attaches to the inside of the refrigerator door and holds items such as condiments, bottles, and cans. The bin is made of durable plastic and has a white finish. It measures approximately 17 inches wide by 5 inches deep by 4 inches high. This part number is compatible with many Frigidaire refrigerator models, including the FFHS 2622 MS3, FFHS 2622 MS4, FFHS 2622 MS5, FFHS 2622 MS6, FFHS 2622 MS7, FFHS 2622 MS8, and more. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement door bin for a Frigidaire refrigerator. It is used to store items in the refrigerator door and can help to organize the contents of the refrigerator. It can also help to prevent items from falling out of the refrigerator when the door is opened. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by unplugging the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that secure the door to the refrigerator frame. 3. Carefully lift off the door and set it aside. 4. Remove any remaining screws that secure the old bin door to the refrigerator frame. 5. Carefully remove the old bin door and discard it properly. 6. Place the new Frigidaire BIN-DOOR part number 242071301 into position on the refrigerator frame, making sure that all of the mounting holes line up correctly with those on the frame. 7. Securely fasten it in place with screws. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.